In front of me is Realme 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then tap on About Device over here. Now select the device name on the left, right next to Storage. And finally type in whatever you want to rename your Realme. I will go with Sunny. When you finish, hit save and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Realme has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!